Easy. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the second lot of unique cars and trucks. Yeah, I said it, the second lot. We have two lots. We finance everyone. You can give us a call, 954-865-2412. The address is 5934 Rodman Street. Ask for Jose, Ronald, or Jenny. Here go another bay. Exclusive, 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 exclusive. You know, we stay with BMWs. That's a BMW 325i. Have a 2009 Nissan Altima. Oil change. Cadillac, CTS, what else? Infinities, G35, what year? 07. We had some exclusive too. Ooh, remember this in that movie? Knight Rider? I remember that movie, man. Damn, this is exclusive right here, man. Exclusive whips, man. Remember that movie? Was it Knight Rider or was it? I forgot the name of that movie. It was an old 90s movie. But that's the car that was in the 90s. And then we got that bad boy right there. Range Rover. Oh man. Hey, it's open on the other side? Is it open on the other side, the Range Rover? Yeah, let me see. Let me try to show them the inside, man. Hey, y'all got some exclusive cars here, man. Like, what was the name of that movie that car was in, man? You remember that movie? It was a movie in the 90s, man, that car was in. Come on. It was Knight Rider. Was it Knight Rider? You don't remember that movie? Like, remember that movie, man? Man, it was something like a Knight Rider or something like that. It was an exclusive movie in the 90s. What we have here. Jeez. I'm gonna do an exclusive one for this one right here. I'm gonna ride out. This right here, man. Man, Rover. You already know. That's what we do. I like these exclusive cars, man. Oh, that's a racer right there too, a Lexus. It's a hatchback Lexus. What kind of, man? Ronald out here, man. That's some exclusive cars. Oh, for my races. Don't forget about my racers. Need me a little quick Honda like this. Ooh, look at this one. Wine wear. Look at that one. That's exclusive, man. Look at this, man. My racers, man. Fixing it up. Ooh, man, that junk look clean. Look at this. Look at this, man. Exclusive, man. We got that. Keep in mind, this is the second bay where we keep our cars exclusive. You know, ooh, look how low that one is, man. That's a Honda, man. That's a Honda Accord. No, Honda Civic. Damn, I want to give me one of these.